What's up, you guys? It's your girl Raja, and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be cutting my hair. We're going to be cutting my ends due to the simple fact that I have not had my ends cut in forever, and it is time that we do that. My hair is dirty and everything from me going almost a whole week without washing my hair because I've been adding a lot of mousse and edge control and water, and I've just been going about my day and making it work. But it's time that I do something to this, like seriously. So I'm going to show everyone that there's an easy way to do this if you're not the type of person that are a professional, or you really just don't want to sit up there and just waste extra time doing this. I part my hair in 9 parts, so it is easier for me to get a more even and accurate length all the way around. My right side is longer than my left side, so I end up cutting a little more on my right side, which really didn't matter to me because, like I said, I wanted my hair to be even. And you guys, look how horrible this is. It's not even just edge control. It's edge control, water, then there's my dandruff, and I've done had grease and got to be glue holding spray just so I can hold my edges down and everything, because I had just recently did me a perm, and yeah, it's crazy. And as you can see, I'm going through with the parts pretty quick because, like I said, you parted into 9 parts and it's more obvious, and I'm basically showing you how I'm able to get more of an even and accurate part and how you should part your parts to get that evenness and not have your parts all over the place and you just have different lengths all the way around. See what I'm saying? And another hard part about doing this, like I said, this is a very easy thing, but only thing that's hard about it is make sure that you're angling your hair right so that you're cutting precisely, because you don't want to take your rubber bands out, and when you try to measure your hair up and see if you have any scraggly ends, you don't want one side to be shorter than the other, and you got to keep going in and cutting, which I did not have to do, luckily for me. But this was a process. I think it took me almost 2 hours because I was filming and then dealing with my son in the background. So it was like, okay, we need to get something started and finished, because I had him watching Shrek, and Shrek is 1 hour and 30 minutes, 31 minutes long to be exact. And by the time I was almost finished with my head, I realized that Shrek was going off already, and I was like, what in the world? Like, I've been here for too long. But yeah, and after I finished cutting my hair, because the comb is 7 inches long, and this is how I use it because my comb has measurements on it, and I'm able to get directly how many inches I want off evenly with no problem. And I end up with the measurements of 6, 5, and 4 in the back, 5 in the middle, and 6 inches on top. No, I was right. But the middle of my head, that middle part, that top part, was a little longer. It actually stand out an inch longer, so it was 7 inches for that part, because, like I said, you seen that the top of my hair was a little over length of the comb, which was coming at probably 8.5 inches, and I cut it down to 7. My sides and the front are 6, and then the middle all the way around is 5, and the whole back is 4. So that's basically how I did it. I really have a lot of problems with my hair, and it didn't, like, the look I wanted wasn't how I thought of it because of the type of hair I have. I have very coarse hair, and it is hard to do anything with it. That's why I'm always, trying different things and always braiding it up and keeping it out the way, because stuff like this always happens, So I went on ahead and showed you what it looked like as soon as I took it off. Well, as soon as I cut off all the hair and I just took out the rubber band, this is how it looks, which looks better, as you can see from the video down below. And this is after I washed it. I went on ahead and washed my hair. My edges are crazy. My mom thinks I have psoriasis, so that's why my edges looks crazy. I think I said the right thing. I think so. But here is me just trying to flat iron it just to keep it from looking as poofy as it was. I use heat protectant, you guys. Always use heat protectant, and I only do one pass on my hair. I make sure to get the roots pretty good though, because my roots are, like I said, coily. Like seriously, like I believe I have 4C hair on a good day. Like seriously, I perm it here and there. Well, that was it for this video, you guys. I will be coming back when I actually do something to this. It was just something I want to show you guys on me cutting it, and that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.